ever pondered over the idea of building your own computer? Wouldn't it be great to have a machine that's tailor-made to your specific needs and preferences? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem. Today, we're going on a journey through the process of creating a personal computer from scratch, making sure it's both simple and engaging. First, let's dive into the world of computer components. Every computer starts with a motherboard, the backbone of your machine. Choose a motherboard that supports your desired CPU and other components. Think of it as the foundation of your dream house. It needs to be sturdy and reliable. Next comes the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. This is the brain of your computer, responsible for executing commands. Pick a CPU that aligns with your needs, whether it's for gaming, graphic design, or just everyday use. Now let's talk about Random Access Memory, or RAM. This is your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can handle at once. For most users, 16 gigabytes of RAM is more than enough. Moving on to the hard drive. This is your computer's long-term memory. It's where you'll store everything: your files, your games, your photos. There are two types of hard drive: solid-state drives, SSD, and hard disk drives, HDD. SSDs are faster but more expensive, while HDDs offer more storage for a lower price. Next up, the Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. This is especially important for gamers and designers. A powerful GPU ensures your games run smoothly and your designs look sharp. Don't forget the Power Supply Unit, or PSU. This is what gives life to your computer, supplying power to all your components. Make sure it provides enough power for your components, with some to spare. Lastly, you'll need a case to house all these components. Choose one that fits all your parts, with enough room for airflow to keep everything cool. Now that you have all your parts, it's time to assemble them. Start by installing the CPU onto the motherboard, then add the RAM. Next, secure the motherboard in the case and install the power supply. After that, add the hard drive and finally, the graphics card. Connect all the components to the power supply and voila, you have built your own computer. In summary, building a computer involves selecting and assembling the right components, including the motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard drive, GPU, PSU, and case. By following these steps, you can create a machine that perfectly suits your needs. Remember, the key to building your own computer is understanding what each component does and how it contributes to the overall performance. Once you've mastered this, you can easily tailor your machine to your specific needs and preferences. So, why not give it a try? Happy building. Happy